it's definitely still artificial in the sense that we produce it, but it's increasingly producing itself. It's increasingly learning and adapting by itself. So artificial is a kind of wishful thinking, that it's still under our control. And it's getting out of our control. So in this sense, it is becoming an alien force, not necessarily evil. Again, it can also do a lot of good things, but the first thing to realize is it's alien. We don't understand how it works. I mean, one of the most shocking things about all this technology, you talk to the people who lead it, and you ask them questions about how it works, what can it do, and they said, we don't know. I mean, we know how we built it initially, but then it really learns by itself. Now, there is an entire discussion to be had about whether this is a life form or not. Now, I think that it still doesn't have any consciousness, and I don't think that it's impossible for it to develop consciousness, but I don't think it's necessary for it to develop consciousness either. That's a problematic, that's an open question. But life doesn't necessarily mean consciousness. We have a lot of life forms, microorganisms, plants, whatever, fungi, which we think they don't have consciousness. We still regard them as a life form. And I think AI is getting very, very close to that position. Now, ultimately, of course, what is life is a philosophical question.